Welcome to Aerospace Tech Week Americas. In this video, I will show you how to use the lead scanner functionality. This allows you to capture attendee details for future reference. The QR is available within the app, within the QR icon. It's available on the attendee's ticket, and it will also be available on the badge that they should be wearing or carrying with them. So to access Lead Scanner, we have the icon in the middle of the screen. Please remember that the layout of your icons may change. When I enter Lead Scanner, you can see I've already captured the details of some of the attendees. To be able to capture further attendees, you can access the scan button, and as soon as you hover over a QR, it will bring up that attendee's details. And here I will just put a quick note, contact for future reference. And I will give them a rating. And of course you can capture phone numbers or whatever it is. And then up in the top right hand corner, this may vary on an Apple device, you have the little save icon. So when I hit that, it then asks me, do I wish to share my details with Adrian? Yes, I do. You can see Adrian has now been added to my list of scanned attendees. Post-event, you will wish to refer back to who you have scanned. You can do this by logging into the Aerospace platform via this URL, aviationelectronicsexpo.eventscase.com, using the same username and password that you registered to the event with. What you then need to do is go here to My Profile, which opens up this screen. This is the event that you will have attended. If it's post-event, this may drop down here to past events. You need to click on Manage. And then on this menu here, you can see we have leads. So when I go in, you can see Neil and Paula, who I had previously recorded, and Adrian is there now as well with the accompanying notes. To download your scanned leads, you simply have to click on this button here, which will download the relevant CSV. Thank you for your time.